Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Apple Smart Keyboard Folio full-size keyboard, front and back protection in one device. The new Smart Keyboard Folio is designed to deliver a great typing experience on a full-size keyboard whenever you need it. It's durable, lightweight, cover protects both the front and the back of your new 12.9 inches iPad Pro. This is available for 11 inches iPad Pro, third generation. 2. Simply attach it to your new iPad Pro and type away. Ooh, that is nice. Designed for easy typing wherever you are. The Smart Keyboard Folio attaches magnetically to the back of the iPad Pro. It protects the front and the back side while you are on the go. Simply unfold the front to use the keyboard when you need it. Simple, streamlined folio design. The Smart Keyboard Folio attaches magnetically to the back of iPad Pro to provide protection, while the front cover doubles as a keyboard. Simply unfold the keyboard to use it, or fold it, created a slim, lightweight cover. Just the right angles to typing and watching. Open and move your iPad to one of two viewing angles, ideal for whatever you are going to do. And there it is. It's wrapped into a plastic bag, and we are going to unbox it now. Right now it's time for unboxing. It has familiar shortcuts at your fingerprints. Use your on-screen shortcut bar to bold, initialize, or underline. Even copy and paste with just a few taps. Or use keyboard shortcuts to switch between apps, brings up search, and more. You can also interact with apps using their own built-in shortcuts. Press and hold the command key to see shortcuts in any app that supports them. Because there are so many things you are going to do with this awesome keyboard. It has a nice shape, and it is. I think it feels like Rubbermaid, but it has a nice surface, and connecting to the iPad is a snap. Really nice and easy. There is the keyboard itself, and so if there's a connection point at the right side on the screen. The Smart Keyboard Folio features innovative technologies that free you from switches, plugs, and pairing. Just attach the keyboard and start typing. When you remove it, the on-screen keyboard automatically appears. Your only thing is you have to rotate the iPad Pro in the right direction and then just attach it and start typing. That is easy. Really smart connector. No plugs, no pairing. The smart connector transfer both data and power between iPad Pro and the Smart Keyboard Folio. No batteries or charging is required. Auto wake means it's ready when you are. iPad Pro wakes or sleeps when you open or close your smart keyboard, so you can get right to whatever you needed to do. You see, the buttons are soft and hard. It's medium. It's not so much movement, but it is a tiny little keyboard, so this is okay for it. It is enough space to reach all buttons, and it's easy to use it, really. And the command button is really easy too. Only push on the command button, and then you can see what you are going to do with the command button and the fast keys, like a new tab, like split something, like close it, reload the site as well. At the back side of it, there are two holes for the iPad Pro camera. It matches everything. There's place and space for the LED of the iPad Pro. I like it really nice. And it's space for your USB-C connection cable. Nice and easy device, but it's not so cheap. I told you really. But it's nice. I like it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. But we are going to lock it now into both directions. This is the first angle. Now you can see some movies. And if you're going to work, then lift it up a little bit and you can dock it to the angle number 2. Yeah, nice. And magnetic. Oh, yeah, it is in good locked design. Nice. Okay, that it is. See you next time again. Oh, that is so nice. This beautiful iPad and this nice keyboard. It matches everything. Dock station number 2. There it is, the second angle. Okay, so nice and easy device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel, please. Soon. Nice.